Hello everyone, welcome to Collective Gardening. So before going to the video, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon and do follow us on the Instagram page. So without any wait, let's start the video. So today I'll show you how to make a liquid fertilizer for all your plants, indoor plants and all your vegetable plants which you have in your home. So if you can see here, I have 3 banana peels over here. So from these banana peels, we'll make a banana peel liquid fertilizer. So you have to take a container like this, which is a plastic one. So I have one here and a water and a scissors. So just need to cut all these banana peels like this, smaller in small size. So this is how we'll cut all the banana peels like this size, and then we'll put all these banana peels in this container, in this plastic container, and then we'll pour some water in the container. Yeah, we'll just leave this much off if it releases any gases, so that this container will not bulge or something like, and then we'll seal it up. Keep this container in a warmer place for 24 hours and you will get a liquid fertilizer. So here it is, our banana peel liquid fertilizer. It's been more than 24 hours that I have kept this in this container. So if you can see, the water have changed the color. It turned into a light cream color. So I'll show you how you can use this one. So if you can see here, this is the water. So I'm mixing these water, only the water, into a normal plain water. So if you can see how the consistency, how the water is very thick. So water is very thick. If you can see the consistency over here. So you can even use this again. So if you just need to fill this with water again and keep for 24 hours, so again you will have another batch of liquid fertilizer ready. So you can even use them as well. So now as I have diluted the water with the fertilizer with the plain water, so I have a liter, more than a liter you can say, of water in this water spray bottle. So I'll just, so now I'm having this spray bottle filled with banana peel fertilizer. I haven't given any water to these plants, both of them, so I'm giving now. So I'll show you after a week or so. So I have some more over here. So I'll put them in this money plant as well, neon photos.